Today we are going to learn about types of data. Data is broadly classified into two types: quantitative data, qualitative data. This flow chart helps us to understand the data classification.
Quantitative data is, quite simply, information that can be quantified. It can be counted or measured, and given a numerical value, such as length in centimeters or revenue in dollars. Further, quantitative data is classified into discrete data and continuous data.
Discrete data is quantitative data that can only take on certain numerical values. These values are fixed and cannot be broken down. Continuous data, on the other hand, can be infinitely broken down into smaller parts. This type of quantitative data can be placed on a measurement scale. Have a look on the table of examples that tells us clearly about discrete data and continuous data.
Qualitative data. Qualitative data refers to information about qualities, or information that cannot be measured. It is usually descriptive and textual. Nominal data and ordinal data fall under the category of qualitative data. Nominal data. Nominal data, also referred to as named, labeled data or nominal scaled data, is any type of data used to label something without giving it a numerical value. Here is a pie chart of examples which will be easier to understand. Ordinal data is a kind of categorical data with a set order or scale to it. For example, ordinal data is said to have been collected when a responder inputs his/her financial happiness level on a scale of 1-10. In ordinal data, there is no standard scale on which the difference in each score is measured. Consider the examples below. Data visualization methods. Quantitative data can be visualized using the following techniques: univariate analysis, bivariate analysis, multivariate analysis. Univariate analysis. The term univariate analysis refers to the analysis of one variable. You can remember this because the prefix uni means one dot. The purpose of univariate analysis is to understand the distribution of values for a single variable. Univariate analysis can be done with following methods: frequency distribution tables, histograms, frequency polygon, pie chart, bar chart. Model graphs were given below. Bivariate analysis. Bivariate analysis is slightly more analytical than univariate analysis. When the data set contains two variables and researchers aim to undertake comparisons between the two dataset, then bivariate analysis is the right type of analysis technique. Bivariate analysis is conducted using correlation coefficients. Regression analysis. What is correlation coefficients? A correlation coefficient is a statistical measure of the degree to which changes to the value of one variable predict change to the value of another.
If we look into these graphs, we can find that correlation coefficients values comes between -1 to +1, where +1 indicates strong positive correlation, -1 indicates strong negative correlation. 0 indicates no correlation among the variable at all. Here is another set of graphs. What is multivariate analysis? Multivariate analysis is defined as a process of involving multiple dependent variables resulting in one outcome. This explains that the majority of the problems in the real world are multivariate. For example, we cannot predict the weather of any year based on the season. There are multiple factors like pollution, humidity, precipitation, etc.,